Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Maraba, maraba, maraba. I'll explain this explosion later in the video. We're making wagashi today. Making wagashi is very easy. We only need two ingredients. We need milk and vinegar. So I have 2 gallons of milk and 2 cups of vinegar. We'll just boil the milk and add vinegar to it. So we'll come back. Okay, now I have my pot on low to medium heat because I don't want the milk to burn. Wagashi is mostly made by the Fulani people. Um, they normally raise cattle, so I'm sure they had extra milk, so they found ways to preserve the milk. So I bring the milk just before it boils. This is how it will look with the foamy part on top. And now I'm getting ready to add the vinegar. Now I just stir gently to make sure the vinegar is well combined. And let it settle for about 10 minutes and then scoop up the wagashi. Now using the cheesecloth and to make sure I get as much water out as possible. Be careful, it's very hot at this time, so I squeeze as much as I can, and then I'll put a heavy weight on it to I normally would leave it for about 4 or 5 hours, and then you see how much whey came out of that. Now the wagashi is ready. Whoa, it's looking nice. Okay, this is the second scoop because I used 2 gallons, so I had two wagashi. So this I'm squeezing out the water too and put the weight on it so I can get as much whey out as possible. And that's it. I'm cutting it into pieces, getting ready to cook it. You can eat it raw like that, or we cook it and use it in our soups and stews. Okay, now I got distracted and the water boiled. Oh my god. Be careful you don't do this.
Trying to kill me.
I added salt to the whey when it was boiling. I think it's the reaction with the salt and the vinegar. Had to stop and clean up and restart again. I just put some of the whey in a smaller bowl because I used a big bowl with the 2 gallons of milk. And don't let the water boil before you add the wagashi. I got distracted. So I got this new whey, added the salt and boiled it gently, and be gentle with the stirring because it could break up the wagashi. Now I'll take it out and get ready to fry it for my soup and my stew for later videos. Have my oil on medium heat and You fry it till golden brown, and if you want to use it in your soups or stew, you fry it a little darker, and it makes it harder, so when you put it in the soup or stew, it doesn't break up. And I'll show you in later videos how we use it in our soups and stew. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're still watching at this time, please give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and you can comment down below. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you, and stay safe. Bye.